Looking for an updated, one-level, brick ranch on a level lot in a wonderful neighborhood? We've got you covered. This 3-bed 3-full-bath split-bedroom floor pan is move-in ready and doesn't lack the space and charm. Brand new windows, new floors throughout, everything freshly remodeled/replaced in the kitchen, completely redone master and master bathroom, updated second bathroom, new water supply line laid from road to home, new paint, fixtures, and many more updates. Ask agent for full list. As you enter the foyer, you will be welcomed by the new luxury vinyl flooring that spreads throughout the home, along with new tile in the bathrooms and laundry room. The sprawling living room is so inviting with a gas fireplace, large windows, new canned lighting, baseboards, and plenty of room for entertaining. The formal dining room has another updated fireplace area and a large picture window gazing out to your wonderful level backyard. The kitchen has been updated from the ground up. New white cabinets, farmhouse sink with accessories, black stainless steel appliances, elegant quartz countertops, and a breakfast bar to enjoy your morning coffee. From the kitchen you will find the large laundry room updated with new tile flooring. The garage access is right off of the kitchen for easy access from a grocery store run. Down the hall you will find the large master bedroom with a walk-in closet accessed by a new barn door. The master bathroom is delightfully done with a double vanity and tiled stand-up shower with glass door. On the other side of the home there is an updated full bathroom with a shower tub combo, and 2 large bedrooms, one with a full bathroom. From the kitchen you will find the back door to the screened-in patio. Location is wonderful, and don't forget to visit the beautiful Donald Ross designed golf course at the Ridgefields Country Club.